Alright, middle of August, quick garden update. This is Chris from CJ's Organic Gardening and Landscape Design Consultation. We have a thunderstorm rolling in, so I'm going to try to make this quick. Dinner plate dahlias, yellow rose back in bloom, alyssum, round 2. Rose of Sharon still blooming, marigolds galore. Squash climbing up the tomato plants. Getting lots of aromas still. Second round of sunflowers starting to open up. Get about our little cayenne peppers down here. Some green peppers there. Shasta daisy over here, still having blooms. Coleus. Cherry tomatoes, of course more sunflowers. There's the big one. Zucchini hiding down in here. There she is somewhere. There it is. Corn on the cob. Watermelon. Let's not forget about these zinnias that are just going crazy. Corn, pretty sure I'm feeding the squirrels this year, and that's about it. More marigolds going crazy. Green peppers. Nice one right there. More rolling tomatoes. Lots of zinnias. More ramblings. Got some aromas hanging on back here. Nasturtium hiding underneath there. More coleus. There's supposed to be some green beans over in here. It looks like they've gotten overrun by the weeds. Cucumbers going crazy all over the place. We've already harvested a few. There's one hiding down in there. One climbing through the back deck. More Roman tomatoes. That's it for today. Thunderstorm's getting closer. Still got a lot